3, 2, 1 and action.
Sanibonani Dumelang, Absheni Molweni, igama phindile phela lihle, and this is the Beyond Survival khona la ekhaya inthanda kakhulu Soweto podcast. Thank you so much guys and welcome. Thank you for uthando. Thank you for ibona interaction yenu siyayibona, and it means a lot to us. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and obviously hit the notification bell. Bona mahala yabona nje mawungaklika leya like button, ungaklika nje leya like button, subscribe button, comment uthi uxhumane nathi kuzo zonke inkundla zethu zokuxhumana, be it Facebook and TikTok sikhona. Sibhalele futhi mawufuna ukuza la ekhaya uzohlala nami ukhulume nami nje uvente khiphe konke. Khumbula ukuthi la ekhaya lemfudumalo, ekhaya lothula noxolo, ekhaya lothando. Guys, if you want to come, I'm still saying sibhalele sizokubiza uzohlala nathi la. Mhlawumbe ama-viewers wethu angafunda okuncane nje from istory sakho. Namhlanje nginiphathele usisi omuhle ogorgeous isitufuza. Nizombona uzositshela ukuthi usivakashele ngani la ekhaya nokuthi usiphatheleni la ekhaya. Nikhumbula mbukeli ukuthi wena ula enhlizweni yami. Hi sisi.
Hi, okay.
Lonjani?
Kiteni.
Kiphindi, kiwelma.
Imamelo.
My love from?
Soweto.
Okay.
Go Malapo.
Okay. Cela ungitshele nje ukuthi ukhulephi, khule kanjani, khule nabo bani, nje ungiphi background nje kancane before sizongena story sethu.
Okay. Ke holetse ko Mletsane. Ke hotse ke le 1. I can say. Ke hotse ke le 1 ke dula le nkgono le mme. Ne? But mama o ile hlokofala, then papa ena na le ko Tronkong.
Oh, okay.
Then he came back. Le nkgono ile eventually ile hlokofala le. Mama o hlokofetse 2007, nkgono 2000 I can't put it somewhere, but yeah. So ba hlokofetse, then papa khutla Tronkong. I went to stay with him Komlapo.
Okay. You're the only child. Mama no baba.
Yes. Okay. The only child ko mama no baba. The only child ko mama, not ko baba.
Not ko baba.
Yes.
Okay.
But I went to stay le papa because the other kids ba dula hole.
Okay.
So yeah, ke hotse ke hodisitswe ke mkhona hantle. My mom was there but she was not there. So ne ile motho iphelela bophelo ba hae. Yeah, mama ne le nkgono. Kena o ne ke dependile ko yena kene sekolo because of nkgono. So mama nele mama iphelela bophelo ba hae.
So when did nkgono die?
O hlokofetse neng ke lebetso nkgono ka o hlokofetse neng, but o hlokofetse before me wa ka. Nkgono ka hlokofetse 2005.
Oh, okay.
And then was it 2005 or 4? Between 4 and 5 ke lebetse. And then me o hlokofetse 2007.
So wa yohlala no baba?
Kalo ke dutadile pele ka dula ke le 1 for nako e telele ke dutse ke le 1 le ngwana because I had a child nako nkgono ka hlokofala ne ke le pregnant. Then ka ba le ngwana ka dula le yena ka dula le ntate wa hae ke le ko heso ko Mletsane, then ke ya ko ntate wa ngwana somewhere else, and then until papa ka khutla he ka lo dula ko Mlapo le.
And how was it okay no babakho? And I believe ukuthi bongahlali naye. So maso uhlala naye lingwana ngwanyana. How was the dynamic nje?
No limnati because azange kabale askis ke mucho emotional.
Yeah. It's okay.
So udula lintatu waka no limnati because azange kabale lerato la mme. Like ne ke hodiswa ke nkgono ne. Remember abo gogo. Ugogo can never say to you asambe siye mall or asambe siye kupora hambo thengi wine sizophuza something. Ugogo ke nkgono udula mall o inwela dipilisi tsa high blood. O tla rounda jarete kaofela le mthunzi ha o le ka mo ilanga yabo, so akayenzi izinto ezi maybe ozifisayo
njengomntwana uzibona
abanye abantwana nabo mama babo, but ubaba mbuya kwakhe he made sure ukuthi I have that. Wangikhulisela abantwana, like wangithathela abantwana ukuthi like bond ya ka lena or relationship ya ka lena or him coming back from a jail like u kwetse space sa hore kire a kena mme because ne ile mme wa ka ile ntate wa ka I was able to ke bile le bana ke le monyane and then papa ka a khutla a nkutsetsa ko bongwane because he was taking care of abantwana ukuthi go wherever you want to go and do whatever you want to do yekela labantwana bami abantwana bami uzobagada so I didn't have any stress about umntwana ukuthi pampers ini no so him coming back was that he gave me uthando. Maybe that's why bengiba emotional mangikhuluma ngaleyo part because me losing him ngibuyisele emuva futhi ukuthi konje kumele ngibe umama because I had to start afresh.
Washona umama naye washona.
Yeah, kushona ugogo kuqala walandela umama then wagcina ubaba ushona 2016.
Okay. Kwabanjani life after baba ngasekho njengoba iphila yakho?
Hayi kwaba imess. Life kwaba imess mara because ngicabanga ukuthi ngiqale ukuba independent 2007 after ngishonela umama because umama bekumuntu oziphilelayo wangcwatshwa nje igovernment so she was living impilo nje engayazi so after me seeing umama ukuthi bekaphila kanjani mina nga decide mina ngiwani ukuthi angeke ngiphile kanje angifuni nokushona kanje angifuni ukuthi mangishona umntwana wentombazana azondlula kulento engidlule kuyo ngomama so like life ishintshile uba makaqeda ukushona but ayingitholanga ngeweek I can say that ngithole sengistrong because ngingaba strong maqeda ukushona umama uthi ugogo akasekho umama vele bekangekho bekakhona but angekho so I started knowing ukuthi mangibamba imali kumele ngenze 1 2 3 1 2 so ubaba makashona
so great
bese ngi right ngi strong enough bekubhlungu because I only had him nabantwana bambese bajwayele ukuthi umkhulu so but ba right manje nami ngingaba right ngayenza ukuthi nabo babe right so
believe ukuthi namhlanje khona into mphathele yona nje ufuna ukuzongisharela nje kancane uthi
yeah so ntho ke batlang go shagela yona today or reason ya hore ke tle ke batla go share le wena this is because of this thing e dutse monna for umntana manje una she's turning 21 in August umntana una 21 so this thing ithi ihleli kimi for 19 years ihleli kimi for 19 years the whole 19 years ngihleli nayo like khani ngikhuluma ngayo today khani ngizokhuluma ngayo today because angazi ukuthi yini engiphushile ukuthi ngikhulume ngayo but I felt ukuthi mhlawumbe mangakhuluma ngayo ikhona into ezoyenzeka or angazi I just don't know but I felt ukuthi mangakhuluma ngayo ngizoba maybe at ease or in angazi so or mhlawumbe umntanami uzobona ukuthi whatever happened angikho proud ngayo because naye affect so nginomntwana ngithole umntana ngibe pregnant 2004 but I didn't know ukuthi being pregnant because I had this guy cousin yami becula amakhwaya
okay
so I invite her mina ugogo wami vele beka strict bekangafuni ngihamba amakhwaya so every chance I got ngizintshontsha cousin yami wanginvite ke ukuthi hayi angithi ugogo manje akasekho ugogo khona hayi ukuthi ugogo akazi ugogo angithi manje ustrict mara manje uzotshontsha lesasikhathi sokuthi sithi uzocamba manga sikwazi ukuya lapha we went there bekuyi like nail umsebenzi like umsebenzi wa dikhwaya baba yetseditse some event nyana or lunch or whatever so we went there nale bojwala mo monate ya una stress so we went there yaba party ewe here we celebrated then I met this guy nentse ke mo bona but azanka mo bonela hore itloba motho wa ka ne ke mmona because ne ke na le utswa ke go dikhwaya go ba shebele ba bini so that day uchore ke na go re thotseng chance again because I remember it was the 19th November 2004 so I met him like rabua ra khona bua ra khona utlotla that day then ra tsamaya go ha bona we did whatever we did there.
Yeah.
And then we got back. But since linyametse le tswa kae obviously re ka se buyo re tswa kae sharp. Then if it taba ya party fine hotle December ke November di 19 now ke December. I've got a friend o na le boyfriend chomi mamela ntwana ko habo motho aka ho na le house party. So ke kopa re tsamaye nna le wena ntwana tsebe hore nna mama phela o tlompolaya no hai ntwana man ki in and out o tloswa jwang re tle ka di plans tsa hore ke tloswa jwang. Then re party planning le hore re ya partying ka di 50 house party di 16 December the very same year 2004. We go in there ka di 15 we come back ka di 17. But tshwantse ke tle ka story sa hore ke tlotswa jwang hore ke jwetse nkgono. I decided not to tell ugogo because now ngizothi ngiyakuphi for 3 days. So I decided ukubaleka ngiphume ngiya eMpompini yoWashington mishiye lapho lescriptboard gone ngatsamaya samba ke
15 16 uzobuya nini
kumele iplan ukuthi sibuye nge17 asinawa phone that time akuna ma phone akuna ukuthi ugogo uzongifonela ukuphi ongabuyi ayikho leyo nto leyo. Ama-phones wabone ngabo mama bethu hawu okay fine siye lapho ke mid-rent basifika hayi kube mnandi vele sifikile ngithi first day i-party phela ingi-16 today ake arrange ama in and out umngani wami cousin umngani wami umuntu wakhe ngathi bese kakhulumile ngale nabanye abogayi ukuthi hayi siza no chomi so wena uzo zibambela ugeli kanti mina ngikho lapho akere nna ke tlo bambisiwa ke ipatlela motho aka kanti motho nna ke mmatla nki umnikazi uyi-host bengazi but there
akusuye lo
yebo abangifunelena hayi obamstelile muslo mnyama yena nami ngimnyama so hayi yo angimfuni yellow ball lomfana yo nalo wanye 19 zika November yellow ball so yo ke batla ke mina ngimnyama so ngifuni yellow ball and then what. Okay fine sibe lapho ke i16 ke hayi siyaphuza phela ngithi asazi utshwala mnandi mthongole ngwi right yezang i17 phela kumele kuhanje hayi i-couple phela le ngize nayo banala balala khona mina phela ngisala lapha ngithi sengimere host
so
mina vele no Mr Host uthe makangena after ukuthi sibone laba bebakhona nalo bebathi bazongiconnectana hayi ngavele ngaba off uthe makangena umnikazi wendawo amehlo ethu avele wathi ngayiwana i15 silele vele sesiqede yonke into ngale bathroom ayisi right ngabayana hayi bengisifundisa iTV lapha ebathroom kanti siyazi ukuthi senzani so fine whatever happened i16 kwaba mnandi saphuza sada obvious abanye bazohamba bayolala mina ngiyasala nomuntu wami phela senginomuntu hawu i17 kumele kuhanjwe mina ngine stress mina abazali mina angikho like ugirl ngathi akekho worried mina ngiworried
usachidile
phela mina ngina boyfriend le ngizothi la ikithi bayayazi yena unali boyfriend maybe bayithi bakwahabona I don't know but to relax kanti ntwana no mo girl and phela ngikwazi ukuhamba ngiyi-1 phela ngihambile ngibalekile and then mangibuyele emuva kumele ngiyongena naye phela mangena
ngiyabongenisa
so that game sihlali sindluli 17 18 asipheki phela kuthengwa ama take away breakfast yami umnati man bophelo ba mo le bomonati every day asara tshware ke tlana re phela mnati re tshwara mna ngibona le yellow bone lo ngiyachazeka umuntu enkoka impata zakhe short skipper
lelele yashintsha nje
phela size ngalezia ezi1 remember nje 2 nyana
nix
ke change ka tsa hae tse le tsaka ke di savings the things o hamba ka so buya January ni 3 or ni 4 i3 or i4 zika January since something i15 zika December fine masibuya but this guy honestly speaking he was loyal from day one uyangitshela ukuthi uhlukane nomuntu wakhe recently. So noma bengilapha le ntombazane beyazi ukuthi ngilapha
so uthenge neimpahla lapho nje kuleyo
asithenganga
yiso lezo
akiring noma washa ishoda kahlaphi wash anyway
kube right
if siya ebantwini sigqoka izinto if sila endlini ilezi zomuntu wamshoda umuntu wami skipa and then what so sihlala until following year and ikolo ziyavulwa sisesikolweni phela ikolo ziyavula nyenza ugrade 11 ikolo ziyavulwa ukubela endlini mission but this guy he was honest because bekamdala kimvele so what you know what mina nje start imoto ngizonihambisa ngani mina kithi ngeke ungene ke bhuti mina ngithi hayi shema utugena mukidula ntingi Yesu batubulaya nako Yesu babulaya na shema abadlali so awutlongena utlakena habo una litlansiya samwe khona ngizambele nyinya ngizobona mangifika phambili kuba yangitsipa ugogo wenzani ngizobona phambili fine sihambe ke ngibabonisa i-direction wrong bayise khabo babami ngababonisa khabo mama umama yathukana iphuza utshwala avoid that ngibayise khabo baba maye ugogo wami wangale kubaba ukhama okay sihambe ke ugele naye abuyele kibo impilo ichubeke ikolo ziyavula ngiyahamba ngesikolweni ngine boyfriend esikolweni
ugogo usaya
nyile kugogo le like nyile ugogo ungibonile ukuthi ngikhona wangithethisa bakhuluma whatever yandlula leyo process fine ngatshelwa ngathi yo mina ngene endlini ngo4 ngo4 ngivala amakhethi ngihlala nogogo ilanga liphumile ngaphandle sivala amakhethi ngo4 mina so ngaqhubeka ke impilo ukuthi 4 o'clock girl manje uzongena ngo3 awusangeni ngo4 ngithi 4 yakhula uzongena ngo3 uzovala amakhethi ulight amalight
ngo4 vele
bengena ngo4 so ugogo washintsha isikhathi so manje ngithi ngiyahlonipha wathi uzongena ngo3 abantu bayascreama ngabathi gogo strategi mina light mabona sivala ikhethi sivala ngengubo so we can imagine ingubo khethi like first racket ngubo so February ngine boyfriend yasesikoleni phela nako tseo ki hit wabani like ngwanyana lora awufihlile inwele zami zilana ezi-natural so like kuba nalento amehlo yabona amehlo a-brown amehlo brown yamazilona ngale grade bengile ntombazane mangifika ngale ke okay ngingaphuma kulesikolo bengifunda kuso because bebathi ugogo wami yathakatha there was story nje eside sangelinye ilanga maybe ngizobuya futhi yabo ngizocopela
uzongivakashela Jomi yes Jomi ngizovakashela uSipho nogogo uzoya next door ngiyomchazela kahle ukuthi hey ubuthakathi
lalela so ngingashintsha isikolo so mangifika obvious mawufika ku esinye isikolo ungumntwana omusha especially ka grade eko phela I didn't study grade 8 lapho I went there manje ufunda grade 10 yes then grade 11 hayi upresident umuntu wami
lalela
iValentine ICC scheme siyahamba siyobhoboza ama-PS ngamabili wakusho eCarlton Center scheme awuqualify ku scheme mawunga-PS ugogo makunikeza imali yokukhera limi
uselimini
awudli ubani ngusaje la hlukumo kanti ilimi lithi 3 days yokuhlala nini udla idanone yabo silapho yabo uqualify scheme manje siyajola kule scheme and angithi mina ngibuya le bona bayazana from grade 8 mina ngiqhamuka manje phela wonke umuntu uzifuna la mara ngifuna abantu abaningi C4 so hithe C4 manje sinabantu ke thina abo clever bakhona yimi nomunye so Lydia besingaba close and sinaba so abantu bethu abangani sharp
so Valentine president
wasibambe president
lalela
bamkhetha kanje upresident phela mina sengumuntu akakuna ukuthi uzongidampa phela ukuthi so siyaqhubeka
first lady
how Valentine Valentine baya organize ke upresident nomngani ba organize la mina nomngani ukuthi sochila kuphi kweba mnanda sihambe sifike sichile kube mina ngumastand everywhere I go ngumastand. November bengumastand, manje December bengumastand, manje
ngizwe ilalela.
Fine, how ngilale lapho ke, but that guy that day, honestly speaking, usebenzisile protection.
Okay,
fine. No, February, March, April, yabona mama mloku yaziphuzela kana stress mari nini ihansa lebe kayiphuzile ithi lo mntana lo uyabona something correct la ngihlali nalo mntana ayimaza ngithengeli nix mara la angisamboni kahle like isikisi yakhe ngathi sekuyi bracket
wena bongaziboni ngaso
bengazi honestly speaking bengazi fine angihambise clinic sihambe clinic masifike clinic bathi mntwana what umntwana 2005 enemntwana isikhathi sesihambile
grade 11
yeah isikhathi sesihambile umntwana yena isikhathi sesihambile sekuseduze nje ukuthi umntwana come hayi mina never angibonisa kubonakala nix vele I remember even with abantwana bami laba bayi2 because now nginabantwana bayi3 laba bayi2 vele bengingabonakali okugcina vele nje yena bengingabonakali at all. So nalo hayi okay ungabonakali like ngaleso bekungabonakali ngaleso sikhathi kuzobonakala manje mase sibuye clinic manje ngathi abantu sebayazi ukuthi sesibuya nase clinic manje sekuvela athi yabona. So manje mama athi kimi baba umntana ngire baba umntana kuke iphume kuye lo musa ngithi uyaphuza ngithi yena ugogo amase
like but how many months 7 8
angisakhumbuli but bese nje ngisalela mamanzi ukuthi ugogo manje makabuza ngimshaya ngiyashaya manje ngizama indlela ngiyazibuza November house party November party one night stand December midnight February Valentine ayakuhlangani angifuni ukuthi kuhlangane umama makangibuza ngiyamthatha ngimbisele kokwane langanisa kodwa ngeke please wena utswa kona because nje
plus you guys don't have a
relationship so ngireke kuba please ungemelanye ugogo amakalo kathi mntana ngithi mama uphilo nyamu uyabo uya ngaze ngathola umntwana wayenza ubani ugogo wami wathi kimi even if ngayenzakala anything abort umntwana ngathi asungaskiphi leso ngithi hayi ngeke wathi noma ungamazi baba umntwana ini akunandaba umntwana uzokhula then washona ke ugogo mase kashonile ke sengiwani phela no girl mama makalokathi ngigcine ngithi yazini asambe siye ekhabo lomfana umbonisa kabo Valentine's Day nazo ngihleki saya kabo Valentine's Day ke phela yini umama khona yangazi yangithanda so ngimisa la ngazi ukuthi ngithandwa khona and ngihamba manje ngihamba nomntwana sasemncane
so that
sengidedile sithola sihambisa umntwana basifika lapha umama oguy uvula izandla zomntwana athi hayi mntana wami yazi ukuthi ngiyakuthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke
athi
mara hayi emntwaneni asidlali kanjalo khona ubuyele emuva uyohlala phansi cabange kahle ukuthi wenza uguy naye abatshela
uphuma nawe nje mawuthubheka umntwana umboni
hayi angiboni nisayisa somntwana okuqala angiboni nisamazi
basasebancane ngathi bayafana
hayi ngivele hayi usihamba lapha uguy naye athi mara uyakhumbula that days lezi protect iphunyele hayo yaphunyela plus zobona like ngahlazeka. Fine, we went back home. Mama mbekamba nomngane wakhe. Sabuyeleka wathi asisazobuyela uzozumkhipha baba umntwana. Kanti angazi umngane lo besiye emidrand ufixe indaba mina without my knowledge. Hawusengiyamangala. Ngithola ama message. Mama msekayeza yangithuka. Ungena ama message efonini hamba nomuntu ofona yakufuna. Nikeza abantu ngigcine ngiphendula ke lama message umuntu wami umanga ngimkhohle phela umidrand angithi sengine baby nyana angisekho lapho mina uguy makangifonela athi ngizwile phela umngane athi wena unomntwana engimfihlelile kure the whole nalensibidi kade upatile pregnancy throughout wafihla nokuthi manje sowuthola umntwana sengize ngizothola nomngane wakho ukuthi vele sowudedile ungitshelile ukuthi pregnant I didn't come through ngoba bengazi ukuthi ngenze kanjani nawe ngapha ngikona ukuthola so manje ungitshela ukuthi so detile abheka manje ngizoza nefamily yami nawo nomama wami nabo bani
so uyavuma Clara
uKayi umidrand uyavuma 1 month and few days seka uyaziveza
until January
yes yena useka yaziveza okay sharp by the way I think ngikhathe I-story ngisikhathe
you can go
simple no I'm before this guy azoza nefamily yakhe umama unento zakhe nengqondo yakhe ngithi yokwenza izinto I don't know what happened but it's like she knew ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani nokuthi uzothola imali or kuzoyenza whatever for that day ngivuse ekseni ukuthi ngiclean watsaba dinto tsa khale tsa bongkhona istupu phakathi se red ka mohare u cleaner wa free for polish reyo nga cleaner sayoboleka itulo ngoma ake tsibwe sala ngingwana muzi okay fine beze ke labantu mabeza bathi bona azange bafuna ukuvula izandla zomntwana nani they just came neimpahla zomntwana ama plastic eimpahla zomntwana bakhuluma nomama mina nasemaceleni because baye bangicosha mina no midrand basikhiphela ngaphandle bona basala endlini bodwa kuyabantu abadala thina sayoma emotweni ngaphandle then basibiza after isikhathi okay hayi ningayenza omunye yabona sekuyahlekwa lapha ngazi ukwenzakalani fine bahamba baqeda ukuhamba uGayi yena sekenje mangifuna ngizokuthola efonini kaMama ngithi lo muntu ahlanya kanje uHansa uzongithola kuye kanjani sekuyi agreement kanti manje ngimangeke ukuthi kanjani but angikwazi ukubuza umama wami because uzongithuka right yo so bahambe ke mabahambile umama isifiso sami vele bekuthi umntwana mangaba le primary wabona amphethelete ukureka primary cash kunama shopping center nyana lawa mara nakweli neli
hayo midrand beka just
so mali midrand why baphipha imali usho banikeza umama imali batla primary thing yabuKayi wanginika maqedwa khuphuka wazela kumahansa wakhe ne usho ngemamnikile mara mina I didn't know fine ngisizihlalele ke nomntanami ngalendlela besihlala ngayo honestly speaking angikhumbuli ukuthi bengisurvive kanjani nomntanami besides ukuthi this guy was sending maybe money or bringing maybe food because he would drive as nezinto so ukuthi bengisurvive honestly speaking I always tell people ukuthi guys ki survive this thing but I don't know how and I ke batla go khutlela komrawo because ke feela ngari if ngabuyele emuva izongiphatha kabi so it's best ngakhumbula ukuthi vele kufike kanjani okay sihlale ke umama mashone 2007 umntana sekana 2 years maqeda ukushona ke sengiselinyiwana endlini sengiselinyiwana endlini ubaba umntana come hayi ngikhathele ukuya kini yo phela seki owner the house
so umidrand u girlfriend lo bekanaye sephelile
umidrand ngalesikhathi mina ngise midrand bekaqeda ukuhlukana nomuntu
wathi uhlukene na
uye wangitshela ukuthi no ngiqeda ukuhlukana like not so long but ngiqeda ukuhlukana naye but ungamangali mangaqhamuka right so ngithi hayi guy come over yabo okay sharp mageza ke kube mnandi nyana like impilo plus akere watsaba oli ithi ngithi maybe the way ngikhule ngakhona ngikhulu so gogo then ngiba nomntwana and then ubaba umntwana is there estradini obvious beke kube mnandi kuzoba ukuthi loyana so nga abantu abangani kwaba like same street and what not ngazi distance from bona sengwese uketsa me so bengiphila leyo mpilo fine uGayi ke sekale mina uyasebenza uGayi mina ngihlele endlini how ngithola icall ke ngisebenzisa ifoni kaMama ngithola icall kulo cousin lo ke wangi-invite emcimbini lo yawamakhwaya
lo yes before midrand
19 November angifonele hayi chomi phela ngifonele umphathi wale emakhwayeni uthi kimi ufuna ukukubona hey angimazi lo yamama angazi ngaphulikile iculela ikhwaya lakhe and then umphatla ungisa kayi no hey akitsibi witse mara ubatla ubone as soon as possible hey okay mina ngiye like angazi nix ngiziyele nje innocently so mangifika lapha hey mama hayithi athi ngimhlala singene ekamereni masingene ekamereni athi ngicela uhambe ngingazi nokuthi mina lo ya mama kileza ngoma
Okay.
Ngibona sitankinya ka monko kamreng e hore hey una le dinthonto okay ngicela wenze into right ubua kang thatha lo mntwana umise kibo because la umise khona hey sizokuzoshuba and then ngeke kube mnandi lo muntu lokhuluma lento ayikhulumayo umama makusikudala shonile ngiselinye iwani ngiona indlu impilo imnandi lo mama uzongitshela kahle wenze ngithi hayi lo hey ngithi okay ngivume angithi ngifuna ukuphuma uyangidina phela ngeke ngimtshela ukuthi uyangidina umuntu omdala okay ngivume ngithi ngoba manje anginabazali and then ngizohamba nobani la wena umdirector khona athi angazi but you must find maybe abomakhelwane ukuthi bakusize bakukhaphe khabo lo mfana uhambise lo mntana because lo mntana uyafunwa lapha ya ngithi okay ngiphume wena ngidlule kukhazina ngithe wena mamela motho a re 1 2 3 1 2 3 wena uri hey nna ke tsibi mare ke utlwile ngwana hae a bua a re ene wa bona ngwana hao o tshwana le ngkhunwa teng like mewa the guy ohiwa on 19 November bayafana nala makathe uthi hey wait I'm not gonna entertain this yo guys
Unamanga
ngabuyele endlini yiwan angisayiboni nale forum engiyonayo hey like kunzima ithenhle angazi ukuthi i-test lento or yini ayekho umuntu engizokhuluma naye omdala ake nabazwadi and then ubaba mbake usejele ngizokhuluma nobani and le phela manje imetha manje private I cannot just go to anyone and futhi ngestraight ngisethu kunaba abanomona nani bazothi hele wabantu Saturday lapha I think kudlula amaviki nani ukhamukela uGaye November 19 akhamuke mase akoko komnyako mangithi hey and then nyamangalela phela hayi ngize ku okay mamela mfethu umama lo walapha ya lo bekakubizile ekamrini ungitshelile ukuthi sekakhulume nawe so ubona isikhathi siyahamba nami ngibona isikhathi sesiyahamba besiye khona ngithi yena bekayicula ikhwaya vele mina dala ngitshelile ukuthi vele mina ngamtshela ngamaphupho wami wangitshela hey ngumntwana what so manje wathi uzokhuluma naye because mina bengeke approach so ngicela nje ungisize uthathe umntwana uye kithi
yeah
ngithi uthini ngiyekini bayongibulala bayongishisa uthini kahle ngithi ngicela uphume kimi because lo mntwana nobabakhe umababakhe semi-rent and uyamsupporta every month yo wahlanya ugathi nayi imali yokugibela ngizogibela ke sisi uye lapha abakulindile lapho manje sanginikeza imali athi ngigibele sekayafona ukuthi hey ubiza umama wakhe ngegama from kudala namanje mamela umuntu osoyeza lapho ne mina ngizoza ngeenyawo yena uzokhoza ngifuna ukundlula somewhere so yena uzoza ngetaxi ngeke ahambe ngeenyawo nomntana ngifike ke ngihambe ngekhabuga ngiyi1 musakekho umuntu omprotectayo lo guy naye futhi mangimbona nje ngiyamsabanyana like ngibani ngathi umuntu wami or ngichita ngaye for umita angazi okay fine ngihambe ngiye lapha mangifika vele ngithola bogogo egarage ugogo abubani
sebathekile vele ukuthi
meeting serious abanye babuye emakhaya bakhona khona lapho okay ngingene mangingene sebazi ukuthi ngizayileni bathatha umntwana bathi vele uyakhumbula bayambheka ubani makasasemncane bekangithi Nkosi yami ubaba usejele umama hey angazi yazi ne bathi kimi that day lo mntwana uzomshiya la uzomlanda kusasa ngathi never ubaba walo mntwana mangafika nje bathi ukhuluma ngani yazi bangi ignore lento engibatshela labantu abadala baphume kimi shem bathi okay just because of sizovuma ukuthi uhambe naye manje sizocela ukuthi ngama weekend usilethele lo mntwana because sifuna ukubonda naye 2 years iningi kakhulu ukuthi lo mntwana akasazi
so please support for 2 years
ngaya ngaya endlini ke mase ngicedile yonke into sey right lapho ngathi okay ngavalelisa ngiyakhashwa ngumakoti o serious lapha
nje bakamkelile
negama lomntwana vele lisho kanjalo bam amheli umntwana igama lakhe lisho kanjalo anginikeze ugogo wena so ngahamba ngaendlini mangisendlini ke weza ke uGaye u19 November sekazizwa amandla ke nthi phela manje uyazi ukuthi bheka ke uzofonela lo guy umtshela ukuthi astop uza la. What? Ngithi anyeke. Angikwazi wena lo yami umuntu uzongibulala or uzoyenza athi angifuni ukwazi ngisathi ngithi ngiyabrika akhipha isibhamu u19 November bengihlele sofeni athi uzofona manje umtshela ukuthi le beyimletha la ingasamlate if unenkinga ngizothatha lo mntwana mina ngiye naye epark station yena naye asuke la asuka khona eze park station rekopanele mo atlosheba ngwana wamplela ngwana othwana le mali ngamncenga lo yagayi wathi ngitla ushapa mo mangicanga ukuthi umama ushonile not so long nami kusho ukuthi la yalandela ngafona hello singatatazela hai ne ke re ko jetse hore ngwana asiyo lo yamfana wathi umama akho laleli khona ngiyokubonisa yena yefoni ngathi kusho ukuthi hayi nyaya ngafonela umama waloya umidrand hayi nekuthephile awushapu like awusumntwana right yazi sikuthembe kangaka sijabulile umntwana si right akunenkinga and then you are doing this ngiphume lapho phela ngisakhona ukukhuluma la ngisakhona ukuzidefend angazi ngizoexplain ngithini ngeke ngizikhuluma ngapha icall ingena lo ukhona akuna ukuthi hayi bebangikhombe ngesibhamu like ngivuma yonke into abayikhulumayo kimi bayangithuka bayenze ngithi yo it's fine ngihlale ke nomntwana siqhubeke siphushe impilo sekahlala nami nani sekumnandi nje but kuye kwaba nala achita khona mari uchitele
uhlala nawe kina ngisho
uhlala nami kina
has passed umama has already passed angisho
ngiwani sengihlala no 19 November umntwana sekahlala nogogo simthatha masifuna ngithi
yaphela lapha
imitrend isiphelele lathi kimi uzongibonisa umama so it ended there and then nami obvious ngeke mangiceda ukumtshela indaba eziso ngiloku ngilandelela ukubuza ukuthi are you really coming to kill me or what I can't so I cut ties completely azange sa communicate nabo ngagcina that day so umntwana right uyakhula kahle akunankinga yonke into right then u19 November ayochita eNorthwest because there was a time bengihlala githi but also ngihlala nakibo because bekane room kibo so bengingapha nangapha so wasitshela nomama akhe ukuthi uye Northwest angazi uyenza ini because ngithi bekasebenza fine so umama akhe wamiyeka waya lapho then mina ngaya endlini ngithi because lapha eroomini akekho umntwana ngingamshiya even if ngiyamthatha kuyafana so singazihlalela ke kanti uGuy bekayo kuyochita ngithola icall ebusuku the night ahambe ngayo hi okay ini okay enengeke ngithi unamanga because manje makaloku akhuluma uGuy naye ngale uyakhuluma ngathi ufone uGuy angaboni so by the time uGuy realize yena bese kangifonela bese binyizwe le voice yakhe ngayithatha lapho ke ukuthi kusho ukuthi uyochita uGuy ithi ke mina ngiyombonisa ukuthi angithi mina bengiloyal kuye ngizombonisa ukuthi cheating into enjani awu cheat nje ngokuhamba uye eNorthwest umshiye la eSoweto mina ngizohamba ngiye eKempton Park ngiyothola umuntu wasethembisa ngijole naye ngimqoangishele ngimqoke like ngiphume endlini ngiye eKempton Park emsebenzini mara engqondweni yami because ngingathola umsebenzi ngithi eKempton Park mara engqondweni yami ngithi mangiya lapha ngoba ngiyazazi ukuthi angithi mina wabona ke mangifike endaweni kuba abo yellow bone baya so mangiya lapha ngemsebenzini mara mangiya ku lunch or in kunalo ozongi ene ngizomqoma ene mangiqeda ukumqoma sizoya nomntwana lo Northwest uchita ngicall mina ngizomlethela into ephilayo endlini nisihlala sonke sa ngaya ke ngahlangana noGuy but sekashonile shem ubaba umntanami loyo sekashonile so nahlangana naye weza ngam invite mina ngithi Northwest uya cruiser nice Northwest mina nga cruisisa ubeka driver ama truck wecoke uThembisa ngathi mawuzo deliver Jabulani Mall you come rest angithi yena uya driver abo laba bayehlisa ama crate bayehlisa mabaqedile bazongitshela ngathi wena come rest embedeni lapha endlini ukhona so rest yakhanda baby Northwest came back. Northwest coming back, ki pregnant. Now he's thinking, yena unsile kili. Kanti no, it's not his. Wabo. So because nerna le strong bond, nagibo bebacabanga ukuthi i-second born umntwana wakhe. Until umntwana azalwe then babonise bathi hayi vele hayi akafani nalo oqala. Yabo ufana no. Yabo. So wa accepta ke uNorthwest ukuthi ngimchitelile ngeza nengane but beyangakhoni ukuhandlela le hit mangikhona nomntwana mangibambe umntwana i-second born sasemncane i-first born sekamdala.
Find out kanjani
ubani
19 November
ngimtshelile angithi ngihlala naye ngamtshela no lapho ke ngicabanga ukuthi bese nginesibindi lapho phela mina ukuhlala kwakhe naye ngihleli naye ngenkani. Remember ngikhiphela isibhabu ngihlukanisa nomuntu wami lo bengimthanda phela umitrend bekayenza
into zenzeke.
Yabo so manje ngikhiphela lapho and then ngifocus kuye mase ngifocus kuye yena uyahamba ufuna ukungigila akihlothi mina.
So lo qala uyini umfana intombazana
lo qala intombazana
and then nalo
second born umfana i-last born intombazana.
So azange mshayela thing ukuthi yena onentombazane
angazi beka excited maybe beka excited yathi wami kanti akuso wakhe vele.
So ufayele lo mntana wesithwana ngakhe like
ngimthole ubani anangakhe
utshela u19 November ukuthi akusuka
ngimtshela umntana saseswini makabuye Northwest makabuya ubonile ngithi uthi ngipregnant wathi akushuka sorry for stressing you uloku ukare mawuyale bengisase right le ngithole njengoba uloku le uchita nalo ya ongifonela ugele mina ngahamba ngayokhanda wacanga ukuthi ngiyajoka until ke umntwana avela simthatha simisa kubo angithi abantu bakibo bayabaza abantwana bambheka bathi lo akafani nalo akuso wakho ke lo but unfortunately
wakhana believe
khani beka believe akana choice uhlala kwami ene uyangithanda nami ngiyamthanda so nje azange kube ukuthi ahlukane na but into ubaba aye wayibona makabuye ejele like ubuye wathola wabona ukuthi lo mfana ngathi uthanda i-first born kakhulu kundlula ubaba mangibizele eceleni wangibuza ukuthi what's the story here khuluma nami ubaba wakho ngeke ngikuhleke kwenzakalani ngamtshela ke ukuthi hey this is the situation then wathatha ubaba wathatha lo mntwana omfana wayezikhulisela yena njengowakhe then mina ngahlala ke nalo guy but bengingasekho mnandi ngale yandlela ye first born fine then saba ne last born ubaba mangicela ukuthatha i-second born thina siba no senza last born but masimenza 2010 we broke up because of bekangifakela stress ne pressure too much so umntana premature last born intombazana
so umfana uye lo yasiphakathini
yes so premature ebhara bebasitshela ukuthi you don't have to stress especially mayenza ikangaroo so ngakhatha ama-ties nalo guy because bekangistressa ngaphuma kuye 2010 then wazingenela ke emaxini wakhe till today fine story for another day naleyo so esami nasi ke umntwana ngihambile ke after ukuhlukana nalo ya ngihambile ngayohlala nobaba ngayohlala nobaba njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ubaba umbuyile waba umama waba ubaba ngahlala naye kwaba mnandi abantwana bebaloko bashintshisana ne-family yakhabo 19 November ninini bangapha kubaba ninini bangapha kumama ku-grandmother kugogo wabo umama ka-19 November bayashintshisana ngama-weekends because sometimes nami angikho ngise-Kempton Park or Thembisa or kuphi so bayashintshisana njengabogogo ugogo nomkhulu ubaba mashone ke 2016 ubaba makashona 2016 sengiselingiwa nangale khabo babami ngihleli endlini nabantwana now I have to be a mother ngisazulazuli sengumama manje ngiqalela phansi sengikhohlwe ukuthi umntwana konje so ngiqalela phansi 2016 ngihlala nabantwana fine umitrend uyaqhamuka but makaqhamuka ngikuma graduation womngani wami lo bengiyenayo emitrend umntwana wakhe uyagraduate so ngiyele kuyomsupport because naye she was there ngumntana maka graduate last born
so bengisasabangani
yes sasabangani so fine ngikuma graduation masibuya siqala kubo umngani wami umama umngani wami nabo bhuti bakhe younger brothers bathi hayi kunemoto la benifuna bathi babuya emlapho abanitholi and bafuna wena kahle bathi bafuna mina imoto bathi ayina number plate intsha like brand new from hi guys ubani ayasimazi hayi bathi bazama udescribe nix sihambe ke nomngane phela iplan yethu ukuthi masibuya kuma graduation udrop umntwana kibo mina naye sophuza mina kwami le sophuza iwine sichile nje yabo ama graduation aphelile ha masifika ngale naba abantwana naba baqhashi nabo bekunamunye ubhuduze la uzithe makafika la wabiza igama lomntwana lomdala uthi hey
ngifuna sibani bani
yimi babakho umntana made mama uthe singavulela ama stranger nisingakhulumi ngama stranger so the tenants were telling me ukuthi hey this one is vaker because azange avulele that guy but that guy persisted on saying yena ubaba wakhe umntana nje mina ubaba ule 19 November when khuluma ngale ubaba mphela seku
akamazi nokumazi
yabo ubaba mina yamazi sekumhi wena manje then when yaqhamuka uclean unice uwendana uzozayangazongisukela mina fine ahambe kanjalo uguide but mabam describe angithola ukuthi ubani lento asaphuze manje ifocus yami seyilapho number plate ase udiscuss so the other tenant kanti ubonile bathi no lo guy ungaka mhlophe ufaka igold
so
ku enye ila phezulu enye ila phansi
bayaqala ding ding
yellow bone phela eline gold lana ile lami lase midrate bafunani angazi azange ngithole kuma Facebook nakuphi kuphi azange ngithole wangithola through some guy loyo bengumngani wakhe ku Facebook wangisendela i-inbox ku Facebook emfethu kunomuntu okufunayo and mina ngisePitori as we speak so angazi ukuthi ngimtshele ukuthi ngikhuluma nawe akunikeza ama number wenu uzomnika ama number ngithi ayimnikeza ama number wami angifonela uguy angifonele info yimi lo after so many years King ubatla umpula sengithukile phela ufuna ukungibulala mamelo calm down ukuphi ngithi ngisendleleni endlini okay ngizoza lapho kusasa ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe indaba eserious okay sharp mangifika endlini angizifikele kahle kuphi loya guy uze kimi maybe around past 2-3 am ngizwe imoto ngaphandle call ngicela uphumele ngaphandle ngicanga ukuthi ngiyaphupha phela uthi ezoza kusasa jiki 2-3 uyaza makafika ngivula igate uthi abhake phakathi ejardini kwenzakalani imfethu mina ngithunyiwe la mama mse Limpopo uyasonta sontweni lisolso sokuphume isporofito sokuthi I must do right by umntana mlo ngimlahlile years back if not so then into zami zizo ama business nemoto ukhuluma ngani ngakutshela musi angimanje sengine phela sengiqinile mara sekile strong ngisathana nakwele kikhombiwa ka dithunyele no ke mara ko je it's a long time ago ngwana so how and then why utla no and after all these years nako ka ofela nzwele ke mfethu nani ke ujotsa ki mama ke yana itse ngitleng and yona utlo hanana le yona ngwana ogwaka 19 November we faka kuma calendar fine but nakitseba ili yena so wena watla after so many years you saying ngwana ntle kwetsa lying then arikona ke tlo fa phone u buele mama ke buele like that guy le ka matha I show tsamele bosiu ba following day because like me reduce the whole time recordta ampotsa dipotso ubaba wa shona in like beka ngibuza lezo zinto okay guy ke buele mme wa yare yona utlo ihana and nalo ya mama vele beka ngithanda uthi nje ngeke ngaba disappoint ngabatshela ukuthi umntana kuso wabo so wathi kimi whether you like it or not umntwana waloyo muntu mina ngugogo waloyo mntwana dala ngisonta kule sonto nedala kuphuma izinto neyiqiniso so ngeke le uyiphikise kegele okay sharp ngizama ukudigesta ngizoyenza kanjani and ngapha phela kunemali ngale kufakwa emakhaleni and then now and akukaze kwaba ne because the grandmother was always there in the family but the father nje bekaphila kamnandi plus bengimnikeze indlu abantu bekahlala kamnandi so imali yakhe makasebenza yena bekezidlela namantombazana kusho ukuthi because akakazi wayenzela umntwana anything so now okay sharp relationship yami nomntwana is strong, but ngaleso sikhathi bekasasemncane to understand. Now this guy is here, ufike ekseni basalele bavuka to i-breakfast nice lovely wow koloyi ubathathisa i-drive nana ngapha ngiyawasha like ubaba ukhona like busy ngiyabona. But lento yangidla ukuthi ke ngikhulume nomunye anti wami ke angisumuntu nefamily like I decided to kancane we family because I'm avoiding izinto eziningi, so ngiziphilela ngiyi-one. So ifamily khabo babam then ngikhulume no anti wami yiwani mantshela athi you know what, because you once told this guy then now he came back, then it's not on you. Even if he can do whatever then it's not on you, let him be. Then mase sifika leso sikhathi kuzobonakala, but for now it's okho yona if ufatshele or wetsa mtlwele ayona nto tlayetsa. Okay sharp siphile ke siqhubeke, and then umntana uyakhula ne makaloku akhula, so manje sengiyambona ukuthi man and ufuna ukwazi ukuthi why this guy alokathi ngimbize baba and manje mina ngazi 19 November uyabo. So manje ugirl ngimtshele ke umntana uthi mamela awusi this is the situation. Midrand makabuya ubuye sekashade umunye umfazi, like umfazi lo ex yakhe uye wabuyelana nayo apparently after I told him ukuthi umntana kuso wakhe he took his bike waya ngayo like what drive and then he got involved kwi accident wayesibhedlela. So the ex wathole opportunity waya kuye wamu then makabuya ke wamshada nani naye. So manje uthi ufuna introduce umntana lo ngumfazi, ukumintroduce kwakhe ke umedem wathi ufuna ama DNA test. Uguy wathi I'm not doing any DNA test because ngiyazi ukuthi lo mntana wami from the day ngiyomsupport asasena 2 years wami lo mntana. So ke story sa hore now the guy Midrand and then even now he's doing everything for ngwana and ngwana understandile ibilo amuheads, but now ngiyambona ukuthi like ibona the way alingate ngwana like usharp ne, because whatever she says goes ko Midrand. But ha ke bua le nna ke liwane kere I ke feel sharp, I ke feel comfortable and these things is I'm so sharp all these years because now 19 November nna ke tseba ili baby daddy. So how do I tell 19 November hore like how do I do that? Because I did that unali 2 years, now I'm doing it again unali 20 years like you wanna so now kere how ke to deal jwang this thing or how do I go on about it? Because there was a time I go nae mama ungona retse di DNA test ke then kamoli the family is gonna come to me ngapha masenza ama DNA ngapha vele uMidrand naye zithi awusu baba wakhe awusu mntwana wakhe still dito backfire kona
wena mawumbheke umzuma lo mntwana khosayile ngibhoda bathi laziwa mangingeza nalo mntwana la manje ngeza no Midrand la ufana no Midrand. Even my tenants once said that bambona tha yekela u19 November ulabantu bayafana makangale ku19 November ufana no 19 November. So that's the story. Lesi esenza ukuthi ngigcile ngila ukuthi umntana uright aka uthi so mobheka yena chom ubheke nalo last born waka 19 November showcase angisho lapho showcase angisho mngani ukuthi sisibalansana usho lapha ekugcineni 19 November 19 November ufana nomntana. So mina ngifuna ukwazi mawubheka labantwana ubheka uthi lo ogcineni ubheka number 3 number 3 no 19 November bayafana funny leyo funny because I know vele ukuthi wakhe lo last born. So first born inkinga ufana no 19 November afane no mama ka 19 November like unale like mawumbeke so bafane no Midrand mawuthatha umntwana umbeka la nogogo nobaba abantu bayakhona ukusho ukuthi nomzimba abantu bayasho ukuthi umzimba kagogo wakhe omunye uzothi mawuyale uhamba njengoba bakho basho u19 November. uMidrand makeza ngingabashuthi isithombe bangaboni ba busy ngabathi ngabonisa omunye usisi ochashile lapha yana wathi
awusilibala uyetsa ngo 19 November is very wrong lo mntwana waka Midrand
ufana nemali yaka Midrand.
Hi, no. Hi, guys. Honestly speaking, honestly speaking, lento yangidla and like ayingiphathi kahle and umntwana ngikhuluma manje she's
19 November bathi bamcheck and bona ba-check kanjani
hayi angazi ukuthi like namanje ngisazibuza ukuthi did they check correctly or the way were they excited maybe nebanale excitement they were ngwana abane plus kisiculu sawuqala abane maybe they were too excited I don't know ngapha this one is doing izinto eziright njengobaba and 19 November is not there like ibond yomntwana no 19 November ayikho anyeke futhi uyiforce nasestradini mabahlangana like ayikho but uMidrand nomntwana yo
vele wena Jomi ngamampela awazi
uyabona wayengizela kuwe ngibe ngithi maybe wena uzonginikeza isolution ngoba ukutshela iqiniso I don't know the only way I can know ukuthi ngenza ama DNA ifear yami ukuthi mangenza ama DNA what's going to happen and both parties zizoba affected because remember umntwana uthola uthando from that side kubaba and the rest of the family ngapha uthola uthando from the rest of the family but ibond akanayo nobaba.
So what's the end goal? Because of here, as soon as it plays, and both parties are going to be pissed. Is it going to be the DNA? Because both, because of my one lento, because of what both sides, because of what lena, what they happen, what they nomdwana. So eventually, this thing, manga broadcast anje, is a pusher ama DNA test.
No, if it comes to that, like I said, ukuthi agreement yam nomdwana.
Okay.
Ukuthi I'm doing this. Like she didn't want it because
awusafuna ukufihla any further.
Yeah, because no, wait in my
she's
thing
20
is
now, ne?
Yeah, una 20 manje.
She's 20.
So inkinga yamile ukuthi yena uzothi kimi, hayi mama iyekele i-right mara mina. Iyangidla because
and at the same time singakhohlwa futhi nendaba yokuthi ikusasa asilasi. Wena sosekhona esamama uvikela indaba yokuthi angasafari because as soon as uNkulunkulu God forbid akuthathe akazi ubaba ikhubani
we understand
ula so izoba ngcono ekuthenini nenze DNA test once and for all so that azi ukuthi ubaba yakhe maku 19 November u19 November maku Midrand but uMidrand okwamanje he doesn't want to come to party yabo ekuthenini ayenze DNA ufuna ukubelieve leyo ufuna ukubelieve akakwazi ukuthi mhlambe ningakhuluma naye mhlambe abe ne conversation nomntana wakhe ke ekuthenini umntana ayichaze ukuthi this thing izobulala mina in the long run yenze but yenzele mina ke asambe soyenza DNA test.
I think that's the best thing.
Nanoma 19 November ningasamenzanga angisho
lo
okhona akuthathi uMidrand nomntwana yes bahambe bayenza DNA test only way izosho ukuthi
because of njengoba usho ukuthi umntwana wakho wasala ayi1 ezomlimaza ayi1 and uyazi families njengoba usho ukuthi you don't have a lot of families sebakhomba hey wena
yeah understand agcina bhalela nalama TV shows lawa singeswabiza ngegama afuna iDNA so as soon as wena sasekhona njengomama wakhe and I like isibindi sakho
for the fact
you understand I like isibindi sakho yo
yes it was
nesibindi yeah no I like isibindi sakho nesibindi ukuthi anginandaba manje understand because you must know vele khona abangeke bazoba bakamukele kahle khona bazobona ukuthi cha ufuna ukufixa yeah understand but nje ngithanda isibindi sakho in everything because abanye abazali bashona namaqiniso you understand so yeah
it's important for to admit and
we are admit
the situation obviously understand
ne age ngaleso sikhathi
we can't be judging speaking as it
yeah true no ngithanda isibindi sakho mina Jomi but what I can say is try get the DNAs as done as quickly as possible and tell yourself it's either or yeah bo either you baba wakhe noma kusuye and mangasuye akusize understand akusize at least nazo bomkhulelile for into 20 years because bona uhambile waphinde wabuye
Yeah.
And manje ngeke wazi ukuthi iqiniso ngempela na.
Like honestly honestly ngeke ngatshela enye intombazane because now unomntwana nomunye guy but ubambise lo munye guy ibunch. I was like, you know what, whatever it is that you are doing, it's very wrong. Then what, you know, situation yakho naye azifani uyabona kwena adithwani the situations are, but I'm telling you this now and nisi now it was years back kwena it's thinking kinale situation and I ntshware sharp nna ke tso ke stress I gain weight nna so I don't know lona ikopana lona tlo ke gain le weight ale tse bogiti a ke happy a jaya ka moharo so wena usase ni chance yokuthi utshele this guy ukuthi akusumntwana wakhe cause seni nomunye umntwana wesithu but umtshele ukuthi lo kuqala akuso wakhe fix this wathi kimi yena akakwazi ukuyenza lo nto
ukuthi uzile baningi yazi baningi abantu abanale story esifana nesimilar to esakho baningi so mangabe nabo bakhona emakhaya mababona ukuthi it's a good thing ukuthi nje khulula umntana abantu mawungazi ngempela wazi
like futhi nami like nomntana ngidala siyenza ijoke njengoba besiloku isijoke mangisaqala ngiloku ngihleka ngithini you know ukuthi beyenzani ngisasemncane bekumnandi kufani kwenzakalani but at the end this is what happens.
Umuntu perfect akekho.
Yabo.
Akekho umuntu perfect emhlabeni and we learn through our mistakes. So you taking a step sokuthi uzozongivakashela namhlanje. Ngiyabonga. I'd like to thank you. Please usitext usazise ukuthi kwenzakalani sibonisane sibone ukuthi singayenza njani this thing DNA and before that mhlambe naye uMidrand would counseling because uma ngempela ubaba umntwana if ngempela ubaba umntwana then ibe wrong and kube buhlungu ukuthi asangabe khona ethathile responsibility at first.
Manje he's trying, at least he's trying.
Yeah, but yeah, now vele like anye ngikhuluma like he's doing like yonke into yalo
yantwana
guy.
Ikhathwe
the situation ukuthi she was a child yabona the adults were the one who detected no yenza so
and stuff
and no one wanted to let's do it DNA.
So yeah, kids wanted to but we agreed nomntanami like ngimtshelile nokuthi ngiya kuphi ngenzani wathi mara why do you have to do that ngithi but I akusekudala bengitrenda lana like nami like ngimtshelile ukuthi but
nokhululela
like akikhoni angikhoni we yena ngimtshelile and mangimtshela uya understand umntwanami but akukho enough for me ukuthi okay wena wa understand ngoba umntwana and ngapha wena ukwatezi maybe ukwatile ukuthi u19 November is not there ukukunikeza uthando luka baba and then now you want to accommodate but still like I don't want that thing ukuthi affect because nami iyangidla like not knowing ukuthi ubaba umntwana ubani like I have never heard umuntu athi mina ngazi ukuthi ubaba umntwana ubani I have never mina ngazi mina kuphela ukuthi I can say like and I'm not lying I like
yeah feel
but like my serious honestly speaking I don't want to lie to you the only thing I know ukuthi lawyer wasesikoleni akusuye that one I'm definitely sure because after that he was never
hey boba ishu
laba bayi2 and umntwana already sekabondile nabo ubondile ngapha now ngapha still usabonda namanje usabonda even namanje maybe bayakhuluma njengoba ngekho maybe baya textana ukuthi hey nini kwenzakala so cause bekathi ngoJune uzohamba yomvakashela so
my sister Kwenza abantu emakhapekele ya camera le advise nje laba basasekile ya youth le yabo ma2K nani ukuthi phela sicabangeli kusasa ngibona into enjalo sicabanga manje life is all fun and games and stuff. Please talk to your people mama, look at that camera and talk to your people.
Okay, a ke tsebo ke mang o tlo utlwang ke mang o tlo utlwelang ntse ke tlo itshwa no but ke hore ke batla hore guys if una le ngwana ene wa tseba hore ntate wa hae ke mang please kopa mo thuse hore a tsebe ntate wa hae ke mang and also if ha o tsebe hore ntate wa ngwana ke mang please try and fix that Leona. If maybe wasola uneinsolo like ukuthi maybe lawyer like mina, please ke kopa hore le linking this step. I don't know which steps are you gonna take. I'm not saying it's an but please try and fix, guys, because I always teach my kids I'm not gonna be umuntu like maybe some of you guys that are gonna be watching or that are watching little bona or lantsiba, and you know hore story saka setswa kae, and you know whatever it is that I'm doing now hore la tseba or how hard I'm fighting ukuthi abantwana bami babe right, because I don't want them to do the very same mistakes that I did or that I'm still doing even now. So ma 2000 please guys, hey, who hectic and hey akibatle leo party futhi angifuni nokuyithinta because nami umntwana mu 2000 but umntwana, I'm not saying she's perfect, but I'm glad and I'm very grateful, and I will forever be humbled and grateful hore she once said to me, and but not saying it to my face, but we la ngwala ko status inside, or the reason why I'm strong the way I'm strong, I think is because of she's looking up to me. I'm the one who's making her strong the way I'm strong, I think. So please guys, please like yo angas like yo guningi like badlale safe by protected by all means. So abazali nje, if in the same situation or similar or what, please try and make a plan usasekhona, usasene chance, just go there. Do not worry ukuthi abantu bazothina or bathini. Mina I've been through the worst, so le is just a walk over for me. So ilokho nje.
Thank you so much, Mama. I wish you nothing but the best, ne?
Yeah.
So keep her in touch.
Okay.
Please usazise ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Ayangizona
Step esithathayo sithini.
Step asikho nje ukuthi sithathe zona lese DNA sithathe ku 19 November
noma ningathola ke ma red list mani ngayenza umitrend wabantu bake
issue mitrend
yazisona noma bangatholakala bo YouTube, but mangasetholakala ngathatha lo ofuna ukuba ubaba ngempela umhambisa ayenza ama DNA sibona ukuthi ngempela nayo yothola mhlawumbe ohleliso thukela into engekho ngempela ubaba wakhe.
But kuzoba mnandi ukuthi noma umntana athole iwallet ebuya lapho ayithole mina ngibe right, because manje makayithola ngiba nale fear ukuthi what if hey la 1000 rand lawa we 19 noma ngabuya 12 ungathatha, you understand? So kungcono mangabe kuyiqiniso it's fine, nami ngizoba right, ngizokhululeka nasemoyeni, nomntana naye
uzokhululeka
manje ukhululekile, uzojabulisa ukuthi uthola imali or uthola whatever love that is giving her, but kumele abe fully wabona happy, askaba happy hapo
now and just move on from this situation.
Because like young ayikho right. Bekumnandi mangiya ku 19 November nakuphi ugqoka amashoto abantu, but now ayisekunzima.
Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Babukele Makhaya. Until next week Wednesday, same time, same place. Uyazi ukuthi mina nawe sinje. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and obviously hit that notification bell. Give us a thumbs up and please leave a positive comment. For siswethu namhlanje nje episode be on a lighter note, and I hope of a thing or two from Mr. Riskasisi, because such things do happen elokishini etropini kuphi izinto ezenzeka sizibona. So ngiyambonga kakhulu ukuthi uzile wazosivakashela namhlanje, and wakwazi ukuthi akhulile nomunye umuntu futhi ongaba nestory esisimila afuna ukuzazosijoina naye. Please mbukele, khumbula ukuthi nje wenze konke okuhle okuright ukuze na ukhululeke emoyeni wakho. Until next time, yakampela intombazane yithi love you.